Yes.
When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one.
All right, folks. Today, we're watching Judge Oakley deal with a young man who clearly doesn't take the courtroom seriously. He's acting like he's in a movie, showing no respect for the law or those around him. But Judge Oakley isn't about to let that slide. He's here to deliver a serious reality check. Let's jump in and see what happens, and let me know in the comments. Do you think this young man will finally take responsibility? Or will he walk away unchanged?
Come on up, Mr. Vick. Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney?
I don't have one.
Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right, I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. How old are you?
Let me see.
All right, I understand you're almost done with school?
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job ever since I was 7.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
I'm trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for a double parking? And we've already got a ROA for it? Oh,
So everything.
it's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay, all right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the baby shop in Logo,
Okay.
and I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay. All right. You got a driver's license?
No, sir.
Yeah, transportation's gonna be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduate this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate.
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't think about that, but.
When did you start smoking dope?
Well, I mean, it's not hard to tell this guy has clearly been living the laid-back lifestyle for a long time. The way he's sitting there, eyes half shut, barely reacting, it's like he's in slow motion. It's completely checked out and doesn't seem to care about anything but relaxing. And hey, there's nothing wrong with being chill, but walking into a courtroom looking like you just woke up from a nap. That's a bold choice. Honestly, he might not even realize where he is right now. What do you think? Is he fully aware of what's going on, or just totally spaced out? Let me know in the comments.
When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah.
2 years ago.
Okay. How often you hit it?
That often.
What's that mean?
Like, barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
Sweet.
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right? I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. if you don't do something drastic. Okay, you are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right. If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay. If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not? Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Okay, well, if I get a job, I can pay for it.
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Okay, well, the officer that got me fired, well, I did have a plan, but the officer that got me fired, he should be able to get something.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC fellow.
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
Yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and when it happened, I guess he got here to
You mean when this happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll give you that. Okay. How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
Because I wouldn't have a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean,
that ain't even going to cover tuition.
This young man said he makes $14,000 a year and claimed he was planning to go to college until he lost his job. Honestly, that's hard to believe. It's like saying you were on track to be a surgeon until you got let go from fast food. It just doesn't add up. And honestly, I can't help but feel sorry for him. It really seems like he's never had a strong male figure to guide him. Most judges don't show much emotion, but you can tell Judge Oakley actually cares. He's trying to get through to this kid. Still, I don't know if it'll work. The kid seems stuck in his mindset. And if I'm being honest, even if he somehow makes it to college, I doubt he'll stick with it. He just doesn't seem to respect authority, whether it's teachers, officers, or judges. It's completely checked out.
Okay, well, I'm also adopted, so, you know, the state would pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service, have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
Honestly, I don't think this young man is going to change much. He'll probably head home and go right back to his old habits like nothing happened. And that's the real shame here. Too many young men today are just drifting through life, no guidance, no structure, no real direction. When there's no strong male figure to teach responsibility, discipline, or self-respect, this is often the result. They treat serious situations like court as if it's some casual hangout, expecting to be let off easy. But that's not how the legal system works, and Judge Oakley knows it. You can see if this judge has probably seen dozens of young men just like him, and sadly, he'll likely see this one again too. That's just my take, though. What do you think? Do we feel sorry for him, or is he digging his own hole? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I post content like this every day. Thanks for watching and take care.